Hi, it's Graham here at Neat, and today I'm going to take you through what the Neat Pulse MCP server can do to help you manage your devices. So let's check it out. Here we have my Neat Pulse environment, and to use the Neat Pulse MCP, we first must have an API key. So the API key is required for the MCP to work. MCP is installed locally on your client device today. We'll do another setup video on that one, but I have it integrated to my Claude environment. So I can do a couple of things. So I can see, okay, I've got my dashboard. I can go through and look for any rooms, any health issues. I can see some devices are offline. So I can actually say, so I can query like this, and it's now going to look at the MCP, list all the rooms, and understand which ones are online and offline. So they're showing 6 rooms offline. My prompt window, so you can see. So you can see which rooms are online, offline, and the other rooms are there. So I can maybe put a prompt in. What's the status of the Apple room? Is it ready for a meeting? So they're not on a call. Temperature, humidity, so it's picking up all those sensors. And we could also say, hey, why don't you reboot it in 10 seconds? So Claude will now memorize that and reboot the device very shortly. So if we go into it, go back a level so we can see all 3 rooms. So you could do this reboot in 3 hours, for example, whatever time frame you want. So there you go. It has restarted the rooms. So again, you can do your day-to-day management just by prompting. And let's say you need a couple of more rooms. So create 3 rooms called red, yellow, and orange and put them in the office location. So if we scroll down to the bottom of our Pulse now, this will start creating them. So it's created red, it's just below the screenshot, orange, red, and yellow is done. So it's now created them, and it's also printing me the enrollment codes. So I can then pass them to the on-site people and enroll them as well. So because I've given this read-write access through the API, I can also then delete them. So I can quickly say, actually, no, I don't need them. It then deletes them on now. So what else can we do? So maybe you want to change some settings. So let me just pick the Cherry room, for example, Microsoft Teams room, and look at the camera, and it's set to, let's say, off. And someone says, hey, we want the nice, neat symmetry experience in that room. So what you can do, again, you can chat to Claude and let's set it to individual. So what will happen now, I'm going to look at the config for the devices, and it's going to apply that framing mode. And as you can see, it's just updated it. So very simple to change the framing as well. So I'm just going to put, so you can see no device on a call. I'm going to put the Blueberry room in a call next to me here. Just do a meet now, and you'll see that Pulse will update. Again, if I didn't have Pulse up and running, I just had my Claude CLI or desktop client, I'm using the desktop client, I can then query what devices are in a call right now. There we go. And it's showing it's in a Teams call as well. And again, if you wanted some other features, let's go back to Cherry Room and let's look at our audio. And let's say someone says, hey, I really need some better mic coverage in there. Can we turn on the mics in the pad? So again, we can simply ask Claude to enable this for us. Other applications are available to do your MCP configurations and integrations. So Visual Studio Code, whatever CLI tool you want, etc. And I could say, actually, people are complaining some rooms are hot. So because with the Neat Pulse, we show off the temperature, humidity, etc. It can now look, and you can make decisions based on this. How do we need to turn the air conditioning on? Maybe it's not on. We need to fix that. So there's a cool few features on there as well. And you can see the banana room down here. It doesn't have a location. So I've got Denver, office, and I've got the garage. The banana room isn't in the office location. So again, I can simply come in and ask the MCP to add that banana room to the office location. And now it's put it in the office location, it's reordered it, and it's now there. So again, very cool to assign things, create things. And then another feature that will come soon is I want to move a room. So let's say I've created a scheduling pad and I want to add it to the banana room. You just say add X pad to the banana room. And here's what the MCP server can do with Neat Pulse. Create, rename, delete the rooms, assign location, which I've just done, get your temperature, change your status, reboot the rooms, and again, change a lot of the settings on there. So again, list my locations. So then that's going to read into the API through the MCP server and return a list of locations that are set. So there we go. It follows. That's the house at home, different areas, and you're able to see all that. So that is the Pulse MCP, available very soon, and just requires that Neat Pulse paid plan. Any questions, let me know. Thanks very much.